little adventures, and here's my first video of Let's Animate. I'm gonna make a project I've been thinking for a while called DinoChip. It's an idea that I give for a friend, showing me as an example of making stories. This is what I learned when I was making on my school on the course comic and illustration class. It's about a dino Rex who found for a very long time a pack of chips that he hasn't ate for a while. But someone will stop him from taking that last pack of chips, because he always buys every time those chips and he's not gonna let any other dino stealing it. So how do we start when it comes to animation? An idea, obviously. The simpler the better. It's the same thing when it comes to any comics, in my experience. Especially when you start or when you're, well, not a good writer, you know. Then, with that idea in your head, you try to draw or write in a notebook, anything nice looking paper that you know you like to draw, but not too thin. Or even it might, you know, with the material you have, it might ruin your ideas, or even the paper that you're using. You know, you want to make sure that your ideas are safe and stored somewhere besides your brain. As well, you can draw how the characters look like. If you already have an idea how they want to look into your animation, mostly, you can improve their designs later on. Because I like to improve them with my digital program, because I have more control what they're gonna look, and I correct them, you know, in proportions or body shapes, you know, the drill. But if you're confident with the character that you drew on the paper, then you're good to go. I usually make a storyboard with small squares. You don't need to make them as perfect, just so long you understand what you're doing. That's all for now, my little adventures. Thank you so much for watching. I'll keep updating as much as I can, so be sure to watch me. See you guys soon!